Hi, my friends, Lee Brickey here, and today I'm in Stuart, Florida at HIGHPOINTE by Pulte Homes. This is a new community that is now starting its second phase, and today we're going to meet with Daniela, one of the agents I work with, and she's going to tell us everything about this community and all about the homes, pricing, build times, any spec homes that are available, and any discounts that you can take advantage of right now. This is a beautiful community surrounded by lakes and preserves. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's right west of 95 off of Canner Highway. A lot of new growth and building going on over here, some new communities starting. So getting into this community right now is going to be great for people who buy now, because as the area starts to increase and grow, the prices are going to go up just like they do everywhere else. So let's go inside right now, speak with Daniela, and I'll see you in the house. Today I'm at Pulte's HIGHPOINTE in Stuart, and we're with Daniela, one of the best agents that Pulte has. So tell us first where we are in Stuart right now, because the area we're in and what's around us.
Okay, so we are in between Canner Highway. It's basically the south side of Martin County. We're very close to Hope Sound, and we have approximately 20 minutes to get to Jupiter, 25 minutes or 20 minutes to get to downtown Stuart. So you're nice right in the middle between both locations. And we are just a little bit west of the 95. Quick access to get to, the downtown area, in Palm Beach Gardens, Jupiter, get to Palm Beach Airport. So we're really close to all that area.
You're also, Port St. Lucie's right down the road. So
Tradition. I live in Tradition. So we have, it takes me 20 minutes.
Yeah, where's our closest Publix for shopping? It's just right down the road, correct?
Yes, so we have one a little bit east of the 95, which is about an 8-minute drive. But Publix is zoned a quarter mile from here, so we will have more development coming in the area.
Right.
So once that happens, Publix always
There's
comes.
a lot coming around here. There's a lot of new communities being
Correct.
built, a lot going on with
Yes.
the area, correct?
Yeah, so we have, so there's, it's in the works right now, but a development called Story. Mm-hmm. It's a master community with, it's going to have restaurants, dining, shopping.
Like Tradition, Abacoa.
Like a Tradition, like an Abacoa. It's going to be
Correct.
coming, so that's going to be on the corner of Bridge Road, and it'll wrap around close to our community. So
Right.
What's unique about ours, you're going to have a nice private gated community, but you'll have access to all that in the future.
Right, and if people want to get to the beach, we're what, 20, 30 minutes away?
So our closest beach is Hope Sound Beach.
Okay.
So that's just 15-minute drive.
Okay.
And then if you wanted to get to Stuart and Jensen Beach, you're about 25, 30 minutes.
And then Jupiter's about the same.
And Jupiter's about the same, correct.
Okay, perfect. Mm-hmm. All right, so tell us about the community. This is the second phase of HIGHPOINTE, mm-hmm. correct? We're in?
Correct. So we opened up in October of 2022.
Okay.
Sold out fairly quickly during the summer of the following year in our phase 1, and we just opened up for sales in phase 2 in June.
Okay.
And sold quite a bit so far as well. The total community will be 284 homes, consumer-inspired homes, and we're surrounded by 293 acres. What I love about Martin County, they focus a lot on, the preserve and vegetation. So it's a very boutique-style community, only 284 homes, like I mentioned, but surrounded by lake views. All our home sites will have either a lake view or a preserve view. So very, very beautiful.
Right, and the taxes here are much less than either Palm Beach County and in St. Lucie County.
Correct. So we are, once you homestead and things like that, you're at 1.5%, so much lower than Palm Beach and Port St. Lucie area.
Right. Any CDD bonds?
We do not have any CDD bonds.
Right,
so that would be an extra tax that communities have, and we do not have that. They can range anywhere from 700 plus a year.
Right.
So we don't have that, so it's a lot of savings on that.
Correct. Mm-hmm. All right, so that's great. So what, how many models in the community?
So we offer 10 floor plans that you can build on. We have 5 models you can walk through and view. We are closing one of our sister communities, so we're going to take one of those floor plans, the Ashby floor plan, and we're going to add that. So it should be here by spring of next year. So we'll have a total of 6 of the 10 floor plans that we can build here. Right. The remaining floor plans, you can view them furnished in our sister communities. Our floor plans are very open concept, so when you're entertaining, you have a nice area. The kitchen is always, the good area to display in the floor plan. But yeah, so we offer anywhere from 1,800 square feet up to 3,800 square feet homes, and we offer 3 different series of our homes as well. We have the classic series, which is more of our entry level. That would be the high gate is 1,850 square feet. Right. And then we have our 2-story white stone that is, a little bit over 2,800 square feet. And then we have our signature series, which we offer 3 floor plans, the Palmieri, Mystique, and the Prestige. And then we have our estate series, which are our 5 floor plans. And they range from 2,300 up to the 3,800 square foot right. range.
And where are we at on pricing on everything? So with the lot included, your upgrades, okay. Everything. Where are you looking at about roundabout pricing?
So there are 3 components that factor the price. We have the base price that you see on our website, what the home site premiums will be. They can range depending on the views you have. And then the third component would be what options you upgrade. So with that being said, if you're conservative or if you really like to do a lot of design options, with our entry-level home, the high gate, you can be in the high 5s and then go up to $1 million on the estate series.
Okay, and that's including lot and everything?
Correct.
Okay, so tell me about also the quick move-ins and any properties with incentives.
Okay, so basically, since we just started our sales again, we have, we're looking at May through September of next year for completion on our to-be-builts. That's where they can select everything that they want. On those, we are doing great incentives, on options, and we have our preferred lender, Pulte Mortgage, that we can, we offer incentives as well for closing costs on those. And then we do have 2 homes that are complete. They're move-in ready in our phase 1. So we're doing incredible incentives of those. Okay. We lower the price. We are doing special incentives for cash buyers and then financing with our Pulte Mortgage, as well as closing cost incentives as well.
And you can come out, and when they come out, the incentives change constantly. So if you come out or you give us a call, we can talk about all those incentives on the phone with you.
Correct.
Put a call together. Hey, tell us about the website that you can, the new program that you guys got going on.
Yes. So, with other builders, we hear back from customers that, it's not full transparency, and we like to give you the full transparency of what the home will cost at the end. So with our website, we created we launched a new system that you can actually price out the home for yourself. From beginning to end with all the interior options to get you the full price amount. I'm happy to do it as well. We can price out the home together, and that gives you a little bit more of flexibility and different options that you can choose, whether it's group 1 up to group 6. We offer hardwood flooring, tile floors. So there's so many different options that you can select.
Right, and the warranty, talk about the warranty, because Pulte has a really good warranty, and it has a part of that warranty that no other builder has.
Right, so Pulte builds homes for life. We not only build a quality home, but we stand by the home, and it's our 10-year warranty. So we provide a warranty, higher than most builders out there. Our first year is on workmanship and materials, so most items are covered. We do 2 years of workability of plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and mechanical systems. And then we are the builder with the highest water infiltration leak intrusion, which is 5 years. So any type of damage, if it's coming through the walls or the slab, exactly, it is covered. And then we do 10 years of structural, so trusses, the slab foundation is covered as well.
That's great. HOA, what do we get with the HOA?
So HOA is incredible. I mean, our community, we're in the process of building the amenity center, but for this is something that also the builder has done very uniquely. We built a temporary clubhouse right now for our phase 1 buyers. So the temporary clubhouse is our renowned floor plan, but the inside is a clubhouse. We did a social gathering. We added, a gym. They've have events already, our residents. So the HOA, they have an abatement right now because we don't have the amenities completed. So on the classic and signature series, you're at $409 a month. And on the estate series, $429 a month. We do quarterly, bill.
Billing, right.
And then that covers your lawn care maintenance, front and back of the home. You get AT&T Wi-Fi. We also do the community's gated, virtual manned by Envera. And then once all the amenities are done, you'll have all the amenities.
That's a beautiful gate.
Mm-hmm. So it's a very modern style community, gorgeous entrance. I mean, if you're going and comparing with other builders, that's one thing that we have. It does make a statement, our community, and then the amenities we'll have will be incredible. Resort style living, we're gonna have pickleball courts, tennis, basketball court. There'll be state-of-the-art gym inside of the clubhouse. The pool itself is like 2,500 square feet. We're gonna have 3 laps, 65-foot laps, beach entry on the other side, a dog park, a playground, grill area, fire pit. So lots of amenities for our residents here.
Right, that sounds wonderful. And with the community being one of the first in the areas, and this area kind of growing, you're getting a better deal on this house than you would if hey, it's completely built out and everything is happening. Stuart and Palm City are growing like crazy right now. There's a lot going on with all big communities here with multiple builders. So this is a great time to get in now into a community like this, into a new home. So if you're looking to purchase a new home and you'd like to be in the Stuart Palm City area, because another thing about this is that it's a great location between Miami and Orlando, also between Port St. Lucie and Jupiter, and then you have Stuart and Palm City, which are very nice, and then you have Jensen Beach, which is great. There's great restaurants and places to go and beaches, and
the Bright Line's coming.
Right,
so
the Bright Line's coming to Stuart, so you can jump on the Bright Line, go to Miami or Las Olas or to Orlando. So it's going to be a great place for people to live, and there's a lot coming here. Stuart has kind of been a slow place for a long time, and
they're more conservative here.
It's more conservative,
but I like it because they're like picking who's going to be here.
Right,
they want to make sure that it's a great feel. They keep still the lifestyle of Florida. We have Halapatioke Park. It's a mile away, about a mile and a half away. You can do mountain biking, canoeing, kayaking. They have a lot of pickleball courts, trails for hiking. And then you have Jonathan Dickens State Park as well. So there's a lot of nature here, a lot of water sports activities, and you're just 15 minutes there from Hope Sound, or the 25 minutes if you want to get to the Stuart and Jensen Beach. A lot of surfing in all those areas through the Hutchinson Island. Right. So it's a lot to do here. Definitely.
Yeah, and the Jupiter Inlet. I've lived in Jupiter for 30 years, and it's just, the inlet's just beautiful.
And the restaurants, I mean, no matter where you are here, you can get there in 20 minutes and have the quietness when you get back home. Yeah. So it's really, really nice. Yeah,
great. So look, if you're interested in HighPointe and taking a look at it, my information's on the screen right there. Reach out to me, Lee Brickey. I'll set up an appointment with Daniela, and then we'll come here, we'll take a look at everything. And if you decide, hey, this community will work for us and we're really interested in it, then we can jump in the car and go look at all the other models. I know all of the Pulte neighborhoods and Devasta neighborhoods and where to find the models, so I'm very familiar with it. So again, my information's on the screen. Hey, thanks so much for meeting with me. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
And I'm sure we're going to find some people that are going to be interested in coming.
Definitely.
And we'll set up an appointment with you and come out. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button and like this video. I really appreciate it, and lets me know I'm making the right kind of content that you're looking for. Also, if you are interested in setting an appointment to come see Daniela at HighPointe, reach out to me, Lee Brickey, and I'll set up that appointment for you. My information's right there on the screen, and we will get here and take a look at everything. And if we need to go look at other models, as I said before, we can go do that also. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and slap that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our real estate tips and tours. Be kind to each other, and I'll see you in the next video.